use your calculator to find the values of sine of 28 degrees and cosecant of 28 degrees to the nearest thousandth. So I'll do it several ways, but I'll first let you give a shot at it. Using your calculator, try to figure out what the sine of 28 degrees is. Try to figure that out. Well, I'll do it on several calculators. First, this is the calculator. This is kind of a typical scientific calculator. No two calculators are completely identical. But you want to make sure it's in degree mode, because we're dealing with degrees here, not radians. And it is indeed in degree mode. So if we type in 28 and then take the sine of it, notice this is sine d, so sine in degree mode. And we want to round to the nearest thousandth. So the thousandths place is the 9. And then the 10,000ths is a 4, so we're going to round down. If this was 5 or higher, we would round up. So we get 0.469. Maybe we say approximately equal to 0.469. It's not exactly equal to it because we are, of course, rounding. Now let me do that in a different calculator just to get a little bit of variety. This is a kind of a traditional graphing calculator. And once again, we want to make sure that we are in degree mode. So this right over here says mode in yellow. To get to that yellow function, we have to press the second first. So press second, and then we go to mode. And it's good we checked, because we see right over here that we were in radian mode. We want to be in degree mode. So let's go to degree mode, just like that. So we've set degree mode. Now let's exit. And now let's just take the sine. And here we can just type it in the way we would write it on paper. Sine of 28. And now we know we're taking degrees. And we get the exact same thing, 0.469 if we round to the nearest thousandth. Now let's figure out the cosecant of 28 degrees. Cosecant of 28 degrees. What is that going to be, or roughly equal to, if we round to the nearest thousandth? Well, you might remember the cosecant is just the reciprocal of the sine. The sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite. So it's literally just going to be the reciprocal. It's just going to be the reciprocal of sine of 28 degrees, or the reciprocal of this value right over here. So we could use either calculator. So this is actually, it's going to be exactly equal to 1 over the sine of 28 degrees, which is going to, if we round to the nearest thousandth, is going to be, so I could do the graphing calculator first. And the graphing calculator, I could redo the whole thing. So 1 divided by, I could do the last answer, or I could just say 1 divided by sine of 28 degrees, which gives us, to the nearest thousandths, 2.130. 2.130. And let's verify it's the same thing that we get with the other calculator. So this is what we got for the sine of 28 degrees. If we want to take the reciprocal of this, we literally can just 1 over x. So let's do that. 1 over x, and you see we get the exact same thing, 2.130.